I'm a law of attraction expert, and today I want to talk to you about a very important subject that is being touted all over social media, and that is the subject of imposter syndrome. What is imposter syndrome? From a point of view of emotions, from the point of view of law of attraction and manifesting, which is all about emotions and beliefs. Here's the thing. If you feel imposter syndrome, that means that you're not feeling confident. In a nutshell, that is what imposter syndrome is. It's the feeling of lack of confidence. Somebody is going to find out that I am not as worthy as I put this mask on for people to think that I am. That I am not as competent. I'm wearing this mask of competency, but I'm quaking in my shoes because I really don't know what I'm talking about. Somebody is going to find out that I'm not as good enough as they think I am. And so that leads into this self-worth issue, first of all, that I'm not good enough. And what that means is, even if you have the knowledge, because you feel that you're not good enough, the vibration that you send out is a vibration of lack of confidence. And you can change that because your vibration is under your control. The question to ask, if you feel that you are engulfed in the emotion of imposter syndrome, is what do I need to do to become more confident? What is a skill that I need to learn? Maybe it's a speaking skill. Maybe you need to deal with certain emotions. Whatever that is, ask yourself, what do I need in order for me to really become the embodiment of confidence? And then go do that. Because if you close the gap, now there will be no imposter syndrome, because you will feel confident. You will feel confident of your skill. You will feel confident of your worthiness. You will feel confident of your ability to verbalize what you need to say in any situation. And that, my friends, is how we deal with imposter syndrome. I'm Zehra, and I want you to know that all things are possible. Bye for now.